Now let's have a look at B3 or B3 base. This is again another gaming token or the gaming ecosystem token, but it is on the base network. And as you can see here, the token basically went and actually ended up hitting like 3.7 37, or even like it ended up hitting like 38, but after that it has seen a massive price you can say price crash. So it seems like that this was supposed to be a pump and dump. That's what it seems like, but again we'll try to look at it by another perspective. I did cover this coin, I think like 1 month ago or something like that, but I thought I should cover it again. Now if we talk about their news, so they did have this consumer expansion. So B3 announced that it is expanding into consumer use. New features make payments and app discover easier. The team said this move will help bring value back to B3 token. If the expansion lead to more players and apps, and people find it easier to use B3, it can mean more demand for the token. So basically they are working on something to adopt or increase the adoption of the B3 token. We'll talk about that in just a second. So if you don't know what the B3 is, it is basically basis layer 3 for the gaming. So it is built on top of base and it is a layer 3 for the gaming, and this is their platform which is called basement.fun. As you can see here, there are a lot of games that you can play, and you can also use the B3 token to get some exclusive features and other things as well. Now if you talk about the B3 token itself, it is basically used for things such as player can stake B3 to receive exposure to future B3 app chains. So basically there are there are supposed to be some kind of airdrops as well from the ecosystem partners as well. So use B3 to fund and publish the games experience you believe in and earn rewards, get early access to the games, participate in the governance and other things. Now the things that basically has made this token to struggle, I would say, has to do with their tokenomics. So B3 has like 100 billion supply, which is a lot, I would say. So if you look at the distribution, community and ecosystem gets like 34, foundation gets like 22.5, so team and advisors get like 23.3, and investors get like 22. So if we look at the tokenomics of this token or the replacement schedule, the tokens for the team and the investors are locked for 1 year, and the token basically, if you look at the token itself, it came out back in February 2025. Things will get really tough when we'll see the token release from these I would say from these parties. So basically in February 2026, or in like 5 to 6 months, there will be an immense sell pressure for the B3, and things the token will most likely go down after that. So that is something you should know. So as of now, if you're planning to buy this coin, I would say it is only good to hold for this coin like 3 to 4 months or even 5 months. Now if you talk about its price, it has been in the uptrend. I would say that's pretty good ever since ever since July of 2025. It's in the uptrend. So what I would like this coin to do, as of now, at least from my perspective, it would be that I would like it, let me try to make it correct. So I would like it to basically I will just make another trend line. So what I would like for the Bitcoin to do as of now would be to again retest around this exact level, as you can see. So this trend line is really strong one, because at first it actually ended up going like as high as 33% fighting this trend line, and again after that it retested around this exact trend line, and it actually ended up going up like 38%. And the same thing happened like 3 days ago. It actually ended up going up like 48%. So if it does comes at the range of this trend line, I would say that could be a pretty good buy. So around 2.6 or even 2.26 or even like 28 or even 27. But if this momentum continues and if it ends up break above this downtrend that you can see, I would say it can go as high as like 54 or even above as high as 63, or even this also seems to be the pretty good sell point as well. If you're planning to take the profit, around 46 to 42 also seems to be the pretty good sell point for this coin as well. Now if we talk about some of the news, they have been pretty active as you can see here. So I would say if this momentum does continue, it can go as high as like 46 to 42. If the momentum stops, it will most likely go down from 44. But if it doesn't stop here and it continues to go down, I would say it can retest around 26 or 28, and it will most likely make another high. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to hit this trend line and go higher after that. But again, we never know what may happen. It can also break below this downtrend and it can continue to go down. That is also a possibility and that you should not ignore. But again, overall, as of now, looking at B3 and LUVM or ILV, it seems like as of now the gaming tokens are doing really well, and it seems to be that there is some kind of hype around the gaming tokens, or it could be the gaming token season as well. If you look here, there are a lot of gaming tokens that are up as of now. So let's see what happens. But if we do see gaming tokens or gaming tokens surge, I think B3 could actually make it there, because they do have a pretty big ecosystem and they have this platform which is really interesting. As you can see here, there are a lot of games and you can also participate using B3 token, and they have also said about increasing the adoption of the B3, so I would say that's pretty good overall. They also had a partnership, or you can say this is an exact announcement that we missed, I believe. So they said that in 12 months they shipped like 10 products made to study investment and build the foundation for the self-sustaining system. Now their focus is basically to make it more consumer friendly, I would say. Overall, it seems like that B3 is doing really well when it comes to development, but I am still concerned about its tokenomics from the Feb of 2026. They can also decide through the governance that to increase the lockup period, but I don't think that will happen. So again, I think this coin will most likely face a massive sell pressure from Feb of 2026, but for 5 to 6 months it could be a pretty good hold. Anyways, let me know what you think about this token in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.